What's your solution for adding a washer and dryer into a small space where ventilation is not possible?
A laundry set with a heat pump dryer is the ideal solution for such space and venting problems. Heat pump dryers are very clean and are environmentally friendly.
Will a heat pump dryer work the same as a vented dryer when it comes to drying your clothes?
Yes, they certainly do. Heat pump dryers create heat through compressing air into a condenser. This operation takes about 20 minutes longer than a here-known dryer. However, it is virtually no shrinkage and no static cling. Heat pump dryers also recycle the unused air for a very, very clean operation.
Is a heat pump dryer a better environmental choice?
Yes, heat pump dryers consume 75% less energy than their counterparts that are vented. In most European countries, we already see 25% market share of this dryer compared to others. Due to its internal lint collection, there's virtually no maintenance in apartment buildings, and you can hook up a heat pump washer dryer to one single outlet instead of two.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.